For years, the traditional straight-line car buying funnel dictated sales, but today, that predictable path is completely gone. This diagram illustrates what replaced it. The buyer journey is now a tangled web. A single buyer jumps from TikTok to YouTube to AI search engines, comparing up to 7 brands in a single afternoon. If your strategy relies on a Google PPC bid and a listing on an aggregator, you are watching the game from the parking lot. You are missing the actual buyer cycle. Over the next few minutes, we will lay out a concrete blueprint to capture that cycle. We cover AI engine optimization, platform-specific social content, and active CRM targeting engines. Adopting this architecture allows a dealership to track and influence the buyer across every point of this new, non-linear journey. Visibility today depends on Generative Engine Optimization, or GSEO. Buyers are actively bypassing traditional search. Instead, they ask complex, highly specific questions directly to AI engines like ChatGPT or Perplexity, asking for exact local inventory and who has the lowest markups. This split-screen flow shows the mechanical difference in how those engines read data. Look at the left side. Large language models struggle to parse bloated, text-heavy web pages that lack clear structure. The data simply does not feed outward efficiently. Now look at the right side. By injecting precise schema markup into the site architecture, you structure your inventory data. This allows AI engines to instantly read, verify, and pull your exact current stock. When that data is clean and structured, the AI trusts it. Your dealership goes from an obscure link to the definitive, cited answer when a local buyer runs a query. Without clean schema and an active GSEO strategy, your dealership is invisible inside the AI layer. You lose the lead before a traditional search happens. Step 2 is what happens after they find you. We call it brand theater, building deep trust before the buyer ever clicks a link. A major failure point here is treating every platform the same. Taking a single video and blindly cross-posting it everywhere destroys engagement. Every channel requires its own execution. This matrix lays out the execution strategy across 3 major platforms. Starting in the first column, TikTok requires highly casual, personality-driven walk-around videos. Moving to the second column, YouTube demands detailed, long-form content. This is where you post a 5-minute deep dive on towing capacity or third-row legroom. In the third column, Meta relies on dynamic inventory ads. These should be directly tied to your first-party data, retargeting specific users after they leave your site. The execution changes for every platform, but the underlying brand story remains unified. Showing up native to each platform ensures every subsequent ad dollar converts at a higher rate. Step 3 tackles data ownership. With third-party cookies gone and privacy laws tightening, relying on big tech platforms for your audience is a massive vulnerability. Your dealership's existing CRM is a massive asset, but only if you stop treating it like a static digital contact list. This visualization shows how to connect your customer database directly to paid media pixels to create an automated targeting engine. The first action bucket uses historical data to accurately predict trade-in cycles, so you reach buyers right as they enter the market. The second bucket identifies conquest targets currently driving a rival brand. The third bucket triggers automated campaigns to steadily boost your review scores across the web. Building and activating a clean first-party database is the most effective way to insulate your dealership from sudden platform rule changes. Step 4 is execution speed. To manage all these systems faster than your local competition, you need a framework. That framework is the OODA loop. This cyclical wheel breaks the loop down into 4 sequential phases: observe, orient, decide, and act. In the observe and orient phases, you track real attention shifts, like the exact language buyers use in AI queries, and map out specific areas where rival dealerships are weak. Moving to the decide and act phases, you aggressively shift budget away from dead lead forms and launch retargeting and schema updates before the buyer looks elsewhere. This is a continuous cycle. Every time you complete a loop, your system gains speed and compounding momentum. Trading marketing as a high-speed, continuous loop, rather than a static, one-off launch, is what separates the dealerships dominating the market from the ones losing ground. That is the complete blueprint. An AI-readable website structure, native multi-platform content, and a predictive first-party data engine. Waiting for the linear funnel to return means conceding the AI layer and high-intent social platforms to the dealerships already using this blueprint. But executing this creates friction. Trying to manage 15 different vendors to build this complex web almost always results in disconnected data and wasted spend. To bypass that friction, you need a single integrated ecosystem. Call or text David Rozek directly at 630-290-1319 to install this strategy for your dealership. Being invisible in the modern AI layer is a massive vulnerability, but it is a completely solvable problem. You just have to choose to act today.